A construction worker in a small tractor is wreaking havoc on the hotel he allegedly helped to build after the company who hired him reportedly failed to pay his wages.
You just go on the job.
Making the situation even more painful for everyone watching. All of the work on the site has just been completed, reportedly down to the last tile. With no end to the rampage in sight, a man tries to approach the disgruntled worker, possibly to talk some sense to him. However, the situation proves much too dangerous for a reasonable discussion.
You're not stopping. You're going to break your leg.